This is the final submission by Team Zuzus for FrostHack 2020. We have chosen the theme of healthcare and medicine. The name of our web application is CoveTrack. It is basically a COVID tracker and it helps in finding filtered tweets and leads for various COVID resources. We all know that India is experiencing a COVID tsunami at the moment, and in this time, many people on social media are trying to help each other. Our web application basically helps these people help others. We basically filter verified leads by doing advanced search on Twitter. Many people don't know how to search for relevant hashtags and words on Twitter, and our web application does that for them, and it shows all the verified tweets at one place. For the tech stack, we'll be using HTML and CSS for the front end, and we have used Flask and Python for our backend. We are also using Twitter API named Tweepy for live streaming the tweets. In our web application, we take input from the user about their location and their needs, and based on that, we show them the required tweets. This is our user interface. This is the homepage of our website. COVID Tracker, one stop for finding filtered tweets and leads for various COVID resources. So as we go down, we can see if someone has a COVID positive patient at home and needs resources, don't worry, we are here to help. With our COVID tracker tool, you can filter all relevant tweets and leads by searching specifically for your city and particular resource requirement at one place. Here we list some precautions. And this is our team: Khushi Baghel, Avni Mittal, and Khushbu Thakur. Now I'll be running the application for you. We go to test. Here we can type a city name. For example, let's search for Delhi, and I can choose a resource. Let's say I want to look for oxygen cylinder, and I just submit. Here we have the verified leads. It can be seen these are all the verified leads which have been tweeted about. So our system right now shows 50 of the most recent verified tweets. If more tweets are required, then that can be done too. We can search again for something else. Let's say plasma. Here we have verified plasma leads in Delhi. Delhi was a city and plasma was a resource requirement. Here we have the verified leads for in Mumbai for oxygen cylinders. These are the verified tweets for oxygen beds in Delhi. It can be seen that many of the verified tweets which people have verified and put forth for helping others are visible on our website. Now I'll be showing you the code. So we are basically using Twitter API named Tweepy. We made an account there and we got the keys, and this is how we are running the search. This is the code for taking input from the user about their needs. It is connected to our backend, which uses Twitter API named Tweepy to look for the relevant tweets on Twitter and stores them in an array, and which is then which stores them in an array which is then displayed in the output by this code. We use Jenga for this. So our team also tried to make a table which would take input from the user about their SpO2 pulse and temperature level. These things are very important and need to be tabulated for COVID positive patients, especially who are quarantining at home, which is the case for many in current scenario. Now, if we have to talk about future scope of a web application, then the tweets can be filtered for many other diseases too. Say someone is running out of insulin, may search for and locate suitable people who have it at the moment. This can also be used in retail. This can also be used by small shops and businesses to project out to people what all resources they have at the moment, and then and the people who need the resources can contact them. Furthermore, this application can also be edited in such a way to show job vacancies and people can apply to them. So this was a web application by our team, Zuzus. If we go to precautions, thank you so much. COVID tracker.